Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Phuculizizwe Vilakazi. I can say I am the maths guru. Right. Mathematics is one subject which I am passionate about. It's one subject which is fun, I would say. And most people have this misconception of that math is difficult. Math is not a difficult subject. It's actually an easy subject. It just needs you to practice. So I have decided to take you through a series of lessons where we learn about mathematics. One interesting subject which actually has revolutionized the world, the technology that we are using, the engineering that we are seeing is because of mathematics. Right. Just to give you a brief background about myself, uh, I actually matriculated some years ago, and then I went to the University of the Witwatersrand, which is in short, Wits University. I pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in mathematics in mathematics and physics. And then after that, I then pursued a Bachelor of Science with honors in Geophysics. Right. So we can say I'm a junior geophysicist by profession. Then after that, in fact, during my varsity days, while I was still pursuing my BSc and BSc honors, I would go to my former high school and then I would assist the then grade 12 learners, especially during weekends, and also on maybe sometimes if I didn't go to campus, I would go there and assist. And the learners got good marks. And I can tell you, the learners I've taught since then till now actually are doing wonders out there. Some they've completed their university studies, some are working, and some are still pursuing postgraduate degrees. Right. And then now, after seeing that, actually, I love teaching the subject. I love mathematics. I then did a postgraduate certificate in education, which helped me to be into the teaching space. Right. As we speak currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. I teach mathematics and I love and I enjoy teaching the subject. In fact, I will tell you, the person who made me love the subject is my high school teacher, Mr. Sbia. Mr. Sbia was a very good math teacher, let me tell you. He made me love the subject. In fact, when I was in grade 8, I used to fail maths. I used to fail maths dismally. I used to fail maths in such a way that I never believed that today that is the subject which, or this is the subject which I had hoped I would actually excel in. Right. So in grade 8, I remember term 2, I mean to say, I got 16 out of 100. Oh, that was something else. Like, I could see that I don't have a future in this subject. But Mr. Sivia actually helped me out. And when I was in grade 9, I used to have morning and afternoon classes. So what I'll do, I'll go to school. So the school actually will start operating at 8. Then I'll get there by 7 o'clock. Then Mr. Sbia will assist me. And then after school, when learners go home, I'll stay behind. And then he will still teach me. So that's how I actually developed love for the subject. And in grade 9, that's when I actually started loving mathematics because of the manner in which Mr. Sbia taught me. Right. And another thing again, when I was in grade 10, Right. Since then till grade 12, I used to get distinctions. I used to get distinctions. I remember term 1, grade 10, I got 96%. And then term 2, I got 76%. And term 2 was difficult at the time. So I got 72%. And I think the second learner or the learner after me actually got some, I think it was around 40 there because it was difficult at the time. But I managed to pull through. And then since grade 10, term 3 until grade 12, I've been getting distinctions. Term 3, I remember I got 84. Term 4, I got 89. Then grade 11, the entire of grade 11, I've been getting 90s. And also grade 12, I got distinctions from term 1 to term 4. So maths is one subject which I love, right? So as such, I've decided to say, you know what? I know the subject. I excel in this subject. So I don't want to keep this wealth of information to myself. I want to dissipate it. I want to share it with the world. And then now I've decided to actually open a YouTube channel where I'll be teaching you guys mathematics, one fun subject, a subject that actually helps us decode the secrets of the universe, right? You know that physics, engineering, economics, they actually rely on mathematics, I would say, because math is one subject that is it's powerful. I mean, all these subjects were built on the basis of mathematics. One key topic in maths is algebra. Algebra it's important. We can argue all day. Algebra is important. Algebra it's one topic in maths that is it's important. Important. I mean to say. I will tell you. My high school teacher used to say 60% of mathematics is algebra, and 40% is something else. So, sorry. For example, let's say you are doing trigonometry, right? 60% of trigonometry is algebra, by the way, because you're going to solve equations there, which will require your algebraic skills and basics, I would say. So, if you master algebra, these other subfields actually will fall into place. You won't struggle as such. But if your algebra is not so well or so good, you'll have a problem, right? And yes, and then another thing that actually troubles learners is it's fractions. Oof. Yeah, fractions are a monster, especially when algebraic variables are involved. It becomes a problem. When variables are involved, it becomes an issue. So our first lesson, or the first few lessons, I would say, will be based on fractions. We need to understand fractions. We need to grasp the basics of fractions, because some of you, especially in high school, you rely on a calculator to actually compute fractions. But I'm going to assist you in that. I'm going to help you calculate or work around fractions without the usage of a calculator, by the way. So yes, welcome to the YouTube channel of Mr. Vilakazi Vix. The guy is going to teach you mathematics. I'm going to take you through a series of lessons, starting with fractions, algebra, and so on and so on and so on. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you.